Hello guys, my name is Pravyadana. Welcome to our channel. So in this video, I can gonna to share with you total 5 plus high quality website where we can create backlink. So all the website URL I can provide with you guys. So first website name is photojou.jp, and this is the website dashboard. Before they started, I wanted to request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So first website name is photojou.jp, and you guys can see this is a website dashboard, and there is a sign up button. You guys have to click over there. And simply you guys have to acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then after that you guys can fill your all details and the password. Then you guys can choose your nickname, and after that you guys can click for the sign up button, and you guys will see a user confirm email address. This website can send you a verification email, so then you guys have to verify your profile. So we received, and you guys can see this is verification email link, and you guys will see there you guys can add your company name, publish to the internet. So you guys have to check this box. Input your name is not required if you another publishing. Okay. And you guys have to choose your country. Then after that you guys can choose your born date, and your publish your photos, members, publish your friends. Then after that you guys can choose your sex, and after that you guys can click for this button. And if you want, then you guys have to change into this website language into English. Okay. And then after that you guys have to click for there now. And you guys can see there is a blog URL button. You guys have to see there. You guys can add your website URL, and about myself, there you guys can add your company description. So I can simply copy the content throughout my website, and there you guys have added all the details. Then after that you guys can click for the save button, so that your profile has been created. And you guys will see there is a my page button. You guys have to click over there, and you guys are able to see your profile. This is your profile. Let me check. And so you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL, and there you guys can want to update your images. Then you guys are able to do, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a very high quality backlink. So now we can move forward with our next website. So the next website name is worldcosplay.net, and you guys can see there is a login button. You guys have to click over there, and then you guys can click for the sign up button, and there you guys can add your username, and after that you guys have to add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. Oh my god. Then after that you guys can click for the sign up button, and failed, please try again. Okay. uh, okay, so so our profile has been created. So thanks for the sign up. Your account was registered. We prepared a guide to help enjoy. Okay. Then after that you guys can click for the go to the page, and you guys are see there is a login button. You guys have to click over there. Then you guys can okay, so this website can send you a verification email. So firstly you guys have to verify your profile. Let me check in uh, yeah, we received a verification email. This is a on authentication email. please enable is disable. So you guys have to confirm the things. Then after that, you guys can see there is your profile button. You guys have to click over there, start activity, and there is start activity. Okay, and you guys will see there you guys can add your company logo, and there you guys can add. There you guys can add your company name. In the subtitle section, there you guys can add your targeted keywords. So suppose that we are providing services, employment agency in Canada. This is my targeted keyword for the index page. Employment agency in Canada. And after that, you guys can add your company description. So I can simply copy other description throughout my website. Okay, and there you guys can, if you guys have, then you guys can add invitation code. Then after that, you guys can click for the next button, and also we can attach our website URL for the create fan club. Okay, this is your profile landing page URL, and you guys will see this is your profile dashboard, and there is your website URL. We have inserted a backlink. So you guys will see there is you guys are also able to create post and images and other things for your website. So from there you guys can publish your images. So suppose that this is my title. Okay, there you guys are only able to publish a thumbnail kind of things. Business listing. Then you guys have to add something description. There you guys can add your tags. Okay, then after that you guys are able to publish, create page plan, and the okay, there is something issues, so we can ignore it. And you guys will see there is our website URL backlink we have inserted, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is ulule.com, and there is a sign in button. You guys have to click over there, and you guys have to go with a sign up option, and then you guys can add your email address. Then you guys can choose your password, and after that you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. You guys have to click for the sign up button. Okay, so you guys will see the profile has been created. So there is a my profile button. You guys have to click over there. What the things? Okay, this is your profile landing page URL. You guys have to go to copy it, and after that, private area. Okay, so then this website can send you a verification email. So firstly, you guys have to acknowledge the. You guys have to hit again for the verification email, and after that you guys can add your company details, company name, and there you guys can add your full name appears on the site, Glen Recruiters. And in the website section, where do you live, then you guys can choose your country, English. Then you guys can choose your currency, and after that you guys can choose your respective country. And after that you guys can click for the my save account, and you guys will see this is your all details. So you guys will see there is a launch a project. So there you guys can launch your project. You guys have to create a project. So suppose that I'm just creating a project for my title, and there is a minimal require, parental report, and another things. And there you guys can add your website URL. And after that, if you want to use email numbers, then you guys can do. Otherwise, you guys have to, okay. So there is a required, you guys can add your company number. So you guys will see our profile has been created, submit without social network. If you want to add a social network, then you guys are able to do from there now. Then you guys can only go with without a social network. And you guys will see contact us back. To form your project does not qualify on ULO. Okay. So you guys have to simply use your original method, then you guys are able to create your project. Okay, so now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is divphotoguide.com. So you guys can see there is a register button. You guys have to click over there, and simply you guys can add your all details. For the username section, you guys can add your username, then you guys can choose your password. After that, you guys can verify the captcha. Z. And after that, you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you guys can click for the create my account button, and you guys are able to see this is your profile landing page URL. And there you guys can change your profile image. You guys are only able to add a JPG and a GIF, so you guys can upload your profile image accordingly. And the URL section, you guys can add your website URL. So we have completed our all details. So simply we can go on to incognito tab where we can check it's instant approved or not. So you guys will see this is our profile company details, and there is our website URL, and we can okay. I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. But the one thing you guys have to do, you guys can remove these things. Then after that, you guys can click for the save changes. Uh, so what we can remove, HTTPS. Simply you guys have to remove these things. Then after that, you guys can click for the save changes, and you guys will see this is your profile website URL. Okay, perfect. So you guys can according if you guys are adding your website URL, so you guys have to make sure you guys have to optimize something. You guys have to remove your HTTPS before your domain. You guys have to remove all the things. Then after that, you guys have to submit in the URL section. Now, so we have created our profile on that website, and now we can move forward with the next. So the next website name is app.zintro.com, zentro.com, and you guys will see there is a sign in button. I have already created my project, so I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, so it's a high quality backlink. So there is a sign in button. You guys have to click over there, and you guys can simply go with a register here button, and there you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password, but I have already created, so simply I can go with a login section. And after that, you guys can click for the sign in the sign up button. Invalid username. Why it's not working? Okay, so sorry here, I have already created. You guys will see the our profile is there is something username are kind of issues. So you guys can create your profile on that website. The profile creation process is very simple on that website. In Gentro, I can provide all the website URL over this video timeline. So you guys will see there is a two backlink I have inserted. This is your profile backlink, and this is your actual backlink. So whatever you guys are want to add, so there is option you guys can add your about description, your headline, and the headline section you guys can choose your targeted keyword, whatever keyword you are targeting for your index page overall businesses, and you guys will see you guys are also able to add your website URL. Okay, so okay yaar, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, where you guys can access easily all the details. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can do something from your side. Okay yaar, and for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so I can attach me also the my UPI ID details, so where you guys can if you want to help me something. Okay yaar, so bye bye and take care.